Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view site history in Wix. Let's get started. So right now, as you can see, I'm the Wix website editor. So for this one, let's click on site right here, click on my dashboard, and then this will direct you to the dashboard of your Wix account. So let's just head over to the dashboard and let's just wait for this right here to load. And then in here, once it's done loading, just click on the settings right here on the left sidebar. And then once you have click on settings, just head over and click on website settings. And then from in there, you can be able to see your site name and all of that. So just scroll all the way down until you can see the site history. So in here, you can restore versions. So when you click on this restore versions right here, you should be able to see the revisions, what happened on this specific revision. So as you can see right now, this one has the specific option, so you can see what it looks like on the specific thing right here. So when you head over to the other site right here, when you click on this right here to view the version, you should be able to see what happened on the specific version. So it will take a few moments to load because a website is really big. So if you actually loaded the site and you want to restore it, you can click on restore right here in order to restore that version. Then after that, click on restore again and you should be able to restore it. So as you can see, it's been restored. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to view site history and Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!